presenting a pre-owned 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 126,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.